What is up, my people? It's your boy Lex Money Crypto, and in today's video we're going to find out how you can become rich from only $2,000. But before we do that, make sure you are subscribed to make sure you do not miss any of this valuable content. Smash that like button, share it with a friend. Now let's get into the video. Welcome back, people. Now, a lot of you guys have very different risk tolerances when it comes to investing, and you also have different risk tolerances when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency. So we all know cryptocurrency is risky as it is already. So a lot of people decide to hold high cap coins rather than the low cap gems to eliminate some of that risk. As each day passes, we're getting closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving, and you're running out of time to be investing a substantial amount of money into the market. So the question I'm answering today is, what would I do if I only had $2,000 to invest before the bull run? Now, before you even think about buying a coin, you need to ask yourself some very deep questions. Number one, what is your risk tolerance? You need to figure out what you are cool with. Are you cool with seeing your portfolio drop 80% and you can still hodl, or would that make you sell your bag? And if you really can't deal with the bumpy ride that is cryptocurrency, you're going to have to go for higher caps. Now, while higher caps may generally be less risky, they do offer lower returns in general. Now, over there right next to me, you're going to see some examples of some high caps and some mid caps. So our high caps being Ethereum, ADA, Solana, XRP, Matic, one of my favorites, compared to the mid caps, which are your VeChain, Render, Agix, DOT, HBAR. As a general rule of thumb in this bear market, our high caps are most likely going to make us a 10x. Stretching it further than that is when you really start to increase your risk level. And again, the reason that we invest into high caps is to reduce the risk level. So we're very happy to take a 10x. Now, I don't think Ethereum is going to 10x from where it is. That would mean we need to get a 16k Ethereum, maybe the next bull run after the one we're coming up to. However, the four underneath are four top high caps that I do think are going to easily make a 10x from our bear market lows. So we've got ADA, Solana, XRP, and Matic, and you can see right there all of the different returns that they are going to be bringing us. So now, if you were to take half of our $2,000 investment and split it into four altcoins equally, you're going to make a return of $10,500 from that $1,000. Now, one of them was a 12x, so that's why we've got the extra $500 in there, guys. Don't worry, my maths isn't that bad. But it is very possible to be making $10,000 from a $1,000 investment today in these bear market lows. Now, before I do continue, I do want to say I have got a list of low cap gems. However, they are only available to the private community. So if you do want to find out my personal list of low cap gems that I've been accumulating through this bear market to make me between a 50 and 100x gain, and you want to get in on that, then feel free to subscribe to the Patreon. Then we move on to our mid to low caps that are going to make us that 20x, guys. So we start with VeChain, and you're thinking,
this guy can't add.
Yes, it is a 50x. However, we will be taking a big fat sum at 20 cents, which is just below the previous all-time high. I do think there's going to be a lot of selling pressure there. However, we're going to have our moonbag for beyond. But VeChain, probably going to hit 50 cents. We're probably going to get at least a 20x from VeChain. Then we move on to Agix. And Agix, guys, is one of the biggest AI-based cryptocurrencies. They're doing the most. They've got so many developers working on their platform right now. And I do think AI is going to be a very big narrative in the next bull run, similar to what gaming and metaverse was of the last bull run. So that's why we valued it at a $5 coin. I think that's going to be very easy for it to hit. And I think a lot of the AI coins are going to be going berserk in the next bull run. And again, if you want to find out what some of the lower cap AI coins are, you know what to do. Then we move down to DOT, Polkadot, great layer one. And guess what? It's going to reach $200, not financial advice, but we probably will reach a $200 to around the $500 for Polkadot in the next bull run. We're currently sitting at $4, guys. We are getting it for an absolute steal right now. So that is another 20x to the portfolio. And then lastly, we've got HBAR. HBAR, one of my biggest holdings as well, currently at 5 cents. A lot of people are saying $4. I'm aiming for $1 to $1.50, guys. And that is going to make me very nicely and very easily a 20x gain. A $21,000 return, guys, and that is from the other portion of our $1,000. So in total, that means we can make $31,500 from a $2,000 investment today, as long as you guys hodl. It's possible for all of us to be making at least 5 figures. If you're not aiming for 5 figures in the next bull run, you need to rewire that psychology, because it is very, 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 very doable right now, guys. And the time is now. What are you guys going to do about it? Are you going to sit there on your bum playing PlayStation, or are you going to put in the work and start investing? Are you going to start upping your active income? Are you going to start upping your passive income in whatever way possible? Because I guarantee in 2 years' time, you're going to look back and you're going to think, I should have been working 24/7 throughout the bear market to change my life and free up the rest of my future. So the time is now, guys. Make sure you make the most out of it. And again, if you want access to the 50 to 100x portfolios plus trading, then feel free to subscribe to the Patreon. It's only $25, and the value that you're going to get from it will well exceed that. So again, not a hard shill. If you want to join, it'd be great to see you in the community. And if not, then I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Let me know what is in your portfolio pick. Peace.